Namaste, this is Riddhi from AgriAnalyze, and in this video we will see about 2 factorial RBD Excel tool using AgriAnalyze. Now we will move forward to our Excel tool. This tool is for factor A with 4 level, factor B with 5 level, and replication will be 3. Researcher can give the number of level for factor A and for factor B and the number of replication, and in return he will receive the customized 2 factorial RBD Excel tool. The best part about this Excel tool is that if I change the data, the result get automatically changed. This Excel is dynamic in nature. So the output consists of ANOVA. Their sources of variance are replication, factor A, factor B, interaction, error, and total. In ANOVA also we get degrees of freedom, sum of square, mean square, calculated F value, P value, and result. This result are based on the alpha value set by the researcher. If the alpha value is 0.05, that means the result are written at 5% level of significance. If you want to change it to 1%, over here and change it to 1%, the result got changed. Again I am changing to 5%. After that we have statistics, that is ACM, SED, critical difference at 5%, critical difference at 1%, coefficient of variance. All the statistics are for factor A, factor B, and interaction. Then we have mean and standard error for factor A, factor B, and interaction. This 2 factorial RBD Excel sheet is also available for different types of transformation like square root transformation, log transformation, and arcsine transformation. So let's go to the website and see how to get this 2 factorial RBD Excel. So this is the website of AgriAnalyze, and to get 2 factorial RBD Excel tool, just click on Excel tool, then go to design of experiment, and then go to RCBD Excel tool, and then select 2 factor RCBD Excel. So I want an Excel tool for 2 factor RBD. So I will write 3 in replication, 4 in number of level for factor A, 5 in number of level for factor B, and alpha value will be 0.05%. You can change this letter in the sheet, but you cannot change number of replication or number of level for factor A and number of level for factor B. Now select the types of transformation. Here I don't want any types of transformation, so I'm selecting none. You can also opt for square root, arcsine, and log. Now I will click on checkout button. Again it will take some nominal charges, then you will get your Excel tool. So this is the same Excel tool that I have shown here. Just replace your data over here with your data, and you are good to go with your analysis. Now let's see how to get a transformation for 2 factor RBD Excel tool. Let's say I want now for square root transformation with addition of 0.5%. So I will write here 3 in replication, 4 in factor A, 5 in factor B. Alpha level will be 0.05. Transformation type will be square root. Now we need to have one additional parameter. So here it is written 0.5 for square root of x plus 0.5 and 1 for square root of x plus 1. So I will write over here 0.5. Basically the value that you want to add, so square root transformation by the addition of 0.5. Now I will click on checkout button. Again it will take some nominal charges, then you will get your Excel tool. From here you can download your Excel sheet for square root transformation. So this is the Excel tool with square root transformation. This is the input data. I need to place my data here and it will perform the transformation over here. So in order to activate the addition value of 0.5 value, I will write here 1. So it will add 0.5 prior to the transformation. That means, let's say here 92 plus 0.5, that is 92.5, and if I do the square root of this, I will get the same value. So let's check it. So here you can see the values are matching. So you can also change the additional value here. Let's say you want to add a value 1 over here. The result are automatically get changed according to the value of 1. You will get the ANOVA as we have already discussed it with complete ANOVA structure. Then it will have different statistics over here. Here are the additional things that you will get. For each factor you will get mean, standard error and retransform value. So you will get for the first factor, second factor and interaction as well. So this is all about RBD Excel tool using AgriAnalyze. So I hope you like this video and tool. If you have any type of question or a query, feel free to reach out to us at contact@agrianalyze.com, or you can also WhatsApp us at 8866556564. Thank you for watching.